Okay, fine. Let's start with our class today. Before starting the class, let me remind one thing. Whatever the homework if I'm going to give you, whether it is a revision part or your regular homework, whatever it is, if you are not going to submit, then I'm going to give that detail to the principal sir and VP ma'am.
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दो, आपने क्या बोला?
I told you that whatever the homework I'm giving you, whether it is a regular homework or your revision work homework, वैसे तो generally I do not give, लेकिन your revision work or your regular homework, regular means that whatever the chapter we are doing, if anyone do not submit it on the time, I will going to submit the names to the principal sir and the VP ma'am. And not only me, every teacher is being instructed that if students are not submitting, provide us the name. Because अब ऑलमोस्ट तुम्हारा कितना बोलूं मैं 75% ही कोर्स बोलूं मैं इट इज बीइंग completed in the case of the chemistry. अब a very little course I should say it is remaining. Solid state if I take, which we are doing nowadays, if I do not do the question answer, so by the end of this week your solid state will get finished. फिर 4 चैप्टर्स बचे तुम्हारे बस फिजिकल में. अगर मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं करती हूँ तो विद इन दिस मंथ आई विल बी एबल टू फिनिश. एंड आई एम मूविंग स्लोली स्लोली कि इसमें न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं एंड एवरीथिंग. Yes. Now let's come to the our topic in the case of the solid state. First of all, let's discuss with a few question answers ki like voids wala jo question part hai which we have discussed yesterday. Kis type ka question comes in that. Keep on noting down the questions, all of you, and answers also in your copies. And this thing especially is done by the boys. कि वो लिखते नहीं है या लिखते हैं आई डू नॉट नो व्हाट दे डू लेकिन आई डू नॉट गेट द वर्क ऑफ देम. और गर्ल्स के केस में तो ताशु आई डू नॉट नो दैट व्हाट शी इज डूइंग. What is the formula of a compound in which the element Y forms CCP lattice and atoms of X occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral voids. How you are going to do this? Any idea?
x2y3.
x2y3 कैसे निकाला? टू अगर ये 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है और वेदर इट इज अ 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, वट एवर द क्वेश्चन बच्चे, यू हैव टू शो द कैलकुलेशंस. हाउ यू say that x2y3. Now look, a question I do and then rest you will be doing yourself. What is the formula of a compound in which the element Y forms CCP lattice? CCP lattice का मतलब क्या हो गया? Cubic close packing structure. So let's write this only. Y forms CCP. अब CCP का मतलब क्या हो गया? That your all 8 spheres, isn't it? CCP का मतलब यही हो गया ना 8 into 1/8. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will come out to be 1. Means कि y का value क्या आ गया? 1. Now another part is saying atoms of X occupy
एक्सक्यूज मी
1.
मैम.
Yes बेटा.
मैम सीसीपी में तो
FCC
एफसीसी वाली आती है ना, तो +6 × 1/2.
नहीं 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 नहीं. This you got confused with yesterday's one, isn't it? कि सीसीपी वाली के अंदर एफसीसी वाली आती है. This you got confused with yesterday's one. वो था in the case of the 3 layers कि third layer you are putting on the second layer. Over here we have to just calculate the formula. Getting the point? Getting the point or not? Now we are saying that
मैम
X
वापस
occupies.
बताने एक बार क्या बोला आपने?
I have told that you got confused with mute your mic first of all. I said you got confused. You are saying this because yesterday जब we discussing I told you कि CCP is equal to FCC. वो case था when you are placing a third layer over the second layer. अगर आप third layer on the second layer place कर रहे हो then there would be C layer also. यहाँ पे C तो है ही नहीं कुछ. C मतलब कि your another third element is not here. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Now we are saying X occupies a 1/3 of tetrahedral voids. अब 1/3 of tetrahedral voids का मतलब क्या हो गया? What is the meaning of 1/3 of tetrahedral voids? Anyone?
1/3 × 2n.
Yes. 1/3 into 2. N तो is your number of constituent particles only. So that is your 2. तो x की value क्या आ गई? 2/3. Now what will be the formula बेटा? What will be your formula?
X 2/3.
X 2/3 is to y1 or you can say y only. Got it? Got it? लिखा
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
लिखा
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
क्वेश्चन?
मैम
यस बेटा.
एक्सक्यूज मैम.
हाँ बेटा.
मैम मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया. मैंने सीसीपी को 4 ले लिया, एफसीसी.
अच्छा अच्छा
फिर मैम मैंने उसके टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स निकाल लिए 8. फिर
अच्छा.
1/3 कर लिया उसका और फिर मैम मैंने फॉर्मूला बना दिया.
एक बारी मुझे उसका फोटो क्लिक करके भेजना व्हाट मेथड यू हैव डन. ओके देन आई विल लुक.
ओके
ओके
मैम.
बेटा. नाउ योर नेक्स्ट नोटेड दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Note down
Yes, ma'am.
another question. Note down another question. What is the formula of a compound in which element Y forms the CCP lattice at atoms of X occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral voids? Tell me what will be the formula.
मैम क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना.
ये रहा बेटा क्वेश्चन. Only X की वैल्यू 1/3 की जगह you are having 2/3.
X 4/3.
X Y3 थोड़ी आएगा. X 4/3.
X4/3 और Y1.
Yes. is to y1. Okay, everyone got
मैंने
it? How
compound
to everyone got it? How to calculate it? Up
Yes,
next question number 3 is what? That your same question is there. Only tetrahedral की जगह put a octahedral. What will be the formula?
Ma'am, x 2/3 y1.
X 2/3 y1. Very good. Others, those who are sitting quietly, समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा समझ में? How calculating? Getting or not, others, those who are sitting quietly?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
ये मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे ना एक बारी कॉल करना ही पड़ेगा सबके घरों में. Yes, one more thing I require to do. And complaining about you people. Next question number 4 is, what is the formula of a compound in which the element Y form, ये सब question we get in the 1 marks beta. HCP lattice, and atoms of X occupy 1/3 of. Today Jay is absent. Octahedral
Present, ma'am.
present. Okay. Yes, Jay, give me this answer beta.
मैम इतना बड़ा एकदम से मैम धीरे धीरे समझने दो मैम पहले एक बार.
हाँ, take 1 minute. 1 marks का question है, not more than 1 minute.
मैम मैं बताऊं?
Yes, बताओ.
मैम x 1/3 y1.
X 1/3 is to y1. Correct. कैसे क्या? Tell this thing also. First you have taken
Ma'am,
y.
Ma'am, by 8 or 6 into 1/6.
Equal to 1. और x का वैल्यू क्या लिया? 1/3 into
ऑक्टाहेड्रल फॉर्मूला n ही होता है.
हाँ 1. तो which is equal to the 1/3. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Today Rajat is not here. अभी तक नींद नहीं खुली उसकी. A compound is formed. This from the question number 5. We are having 2 marks question.
मैम
Yes beta.
मैम HCP लैटिस लिया तो उसमें 6 into 1/6 नहीं आएगा.
Repeat again.
मैम अपन ने बाय फॉर्म HCP लैटिस लिया है तो उसके अंदर 6 into 1/6 नहीं आएगा बाय के अंदर.
अगर आप 1/3 आ गया ना बेटा ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स, इसलिए 1/6 नहीं लिखा हमने.
ओके.
ओके. 2 elements M and N the element N forms CCP and atoms of M occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral voids. What is formula of compound?
M2 and 3.
M2 and
3.
correct. How you have done, Harshit, this time?
मैम अभी तो आपके वाले मेथड से किया है.
Okay, your method send me, because like we can apply the two methods over here also. मुझे बता देना कि what you have applied over here, और कुछ different है then just send me, I will check. Okay.
Okay.
Number of atoms of M is equal to 2/1/3, which is equal to the, you can say 2/3 of number of atoms of N. तो आपका फॉर्मूला सिंपल आ जाएगा M2N3, और you can apply N form CCP which is equal to the 4. Therefore N का value has come out to be 4, और जो M है it is occupying the 1/3 area. So M is equal to 1/3 multiplied by 2, because it is a tetrahedral void, multiply by 4, which is equal to 8/3. Now M is to N आपको you have to calculate, so which is equal to 8/3 is to 4, which is going to be 8 is to 12, which is going to be 2 is to 3. Which method applied, Harshit, or any other?
Yes मैम मैंने नीचे वाला किया था.
नीचे वाला ना? Okay. Your answer should be correct. You are free to apply any method. Okay. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ronak, Muskan,
Yes, ma'am.
Rajat, Ansh, Aditya, मोहित, प्रांजल, सिद्धार्थ, ये रजत ही नहीं है बस. Okay. Next, one more question we do. This question is also for 2 marks. A unit cell. ये सब your previous year questions are these. Unit cell consists of a cube in which there are atoms A. At the corners and atoms B at the face centers. Two A atoms are missing from the two corners. Of a unit cell. What is formula of a compound?
A3/4 ratio B3.
AB4.
AB4 is correct. Very fast calculating.
And AB4.
AB4.
AB4 correct. How doing? देखो, those who have not done, I just provide a hint. Number of atoms of A at the corner. A अगर corner पे, there should be 6. Why? Because 2 are missing over here. So therefore contribution of the atoms of A towards unit cell क्या हो जाएगा? 6 multiplied by 1/8, which will be your come out to be the 6/8. Now number of atoms B at the face center, which is going to be how much? Face
6
center
into 1/2.
6.
6.
So contribution will be 6 1/2, which comes out to be 3. Now your 6/8 is to 3, which is equal to the 6 is to 24, which comes out to be the your how much? AB 4. 6 4s are okay. Like this you are going to do. So I hope that all of you have understood कि किस type का question will come and how you have to solve this question. Basically from the type of the voids we are going to get the 1 marks and 2 marks question. In the case of the numericals if we talk, और जो theoretical questions हैं they are at their own place. Now let's start with the chapter. Now we are going to discuss about packing efficiency. What is the meaning of the packing efficiency? Packing efficiency का मतलब क्या हो गया? That you are going to pack the particles or you are going to fit the particles in such a manner that the total space which was forming by the voids, it should be covered. Now you can say it is the percentage of a total space filled by the particles. कि कोई भी आपका say suppose this is the area, यहाँ पे whatever the particles you are made to fit, you made to fit in the manner कि जो भी void space था, that particular space you have covered. That is called as a packing efficiency. Now at first we are going to discuss about the packing efficiency in the HCP and CCP structures. Now, when you are going to discuss about the HCP or CCP structures, first I take the for both of them, the methodology will be the same. Uh-huh. This. Okay. Now, I just name it. I start from here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Now let's look take any one triangle. आप कोई भी एक triangle consider कर लो, whatever you want. Like this. Now which triangle do you people want to take? बताओ. बोलो. टेल फास्ट. एक तो बोलते नहीं हो तुम लोग. दिस इज वेरी बैड थिंग. For easiness, I just take it as a when you are going to take a triangle ABC, तो ये वाला जो pattern होता है, you know that you have done in your previous classes, that we say that you are going to apply a Pythagoras theorem over here. Okay, now over here what I do कि जो आपका AB है, this है, this I take equal to the B. Therefore, what we can say that in a triangle ABC, your AB is equal to the B square, which is equal to the BC square plus AC square. Now therefore you are going to say B square is equal to BCA है and ACA है. So it is going to be the A square plus A square. So your B square is equal to 2A square. So B is going to be equal to the 2A. Now अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो, what is going to happen that if you are going to look this, a 3 spheres is going to fit over here. एक
मैम कैसे पता 3 होंगे?
2 3 ये आ गए ना, 1 2 3 A C B, इसलिए 3 होंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन कि अगर आप लेते हो कि इफ R इज इक्वल टू द रेडियस of the sphere, then B is going to be the 4R. 4R कैसे होगा कि यहाँ पे आप इसका रेडियस लोगे, लेकिन ये वाला जो है सेंटर वाला जो है इसका तो ये पूरा ही आएगा. इट मीन्स दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी द इक्वल टू द 2R. और ये वाला R हो गया, ये वाला R हो गया, तो R plus 2R which is equal to the 4R which is equal to the अंडर रूट 2A. तो A की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 4R upon root 2, which you can write it like this, 2R. Got it? क्या होता है तुम्हारा रैशनलाइजिंग होता है, वो यहाँ पे रैशनलाइज कर दोगे, मीन्स multiplying it by the root 2 and dividing it by root 2. So this will come. Got it? Got it or not? अरे भाई बेटा, at least reply yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we say that each unit cell in CCP structure has going to have effectively 4 spheres. So total volume of 4 spheres will be what? Volume क्या हो जाएगा? Volume of 1 sphere is equal to what?
4/3 pi r square.
4/3 pi r
Pi r
square
cube.
होता है, क्यूब होता है? क्यूब होता है ना? Yes. 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Now we are saying कि हर एक यूनिट सेल में इन अ CCP स्ट्रक्चर आपके 4 इफेक्टिव स्फीयर हैं. तो what will be the volume of the 4 spheres then?
16/3 pi r cube.
हाँ, you can say 16 और मैं बिना कैलकुलेशन के I just write down over here 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. अब से suppose you are having a cube, तो volume of cube क्या होता है? What is the formula for volume of cube?
A cube.
A cube. अब वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए क्यूब है तो व्हाट विल बी इट्स वैल्यू? ए की वैल्यू हमने क्या निकाली थी?
2√2r.
होल thrice. Okay, got it this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. अब हमें निकालना है, we want to take out the percentage of the packing efficiency. Your percentage of the packing efficiency का फॉर्मूला होता है volume occupied by 4 spheres in unit cell multiply by 100 divided by total volume of unit cell. So if we want to calculate the packing efficiency in the case of a CCP, then what will be the formula? What will be the formula packing efficiency ka? What values you are going to put?
16/3 pi r cube upon a cube.
एक मिनट बेटा. 16/3 pi r cube upon
2√2
a
r whole.
cube multiply by 100%. ओके. अब आपने 16/3 पाई आर क्यूब क्या बोला? फिर से बोला बेटा.
A cube की जगह में हम 16√2 r cube रख देंगे.
16/3 पाई आर क्यूब. So 16√2 r cube multiply by 100. What will be the packing efficiency then? क्या हो जाएगी पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी? बोलो, what will be the packing efficiency? Why sitting quiet everyone?
Seventy-four percent.
74%. Okay. Now in this we require to calculate the packing efficiency of the FCC also and your HCP also. Your FCC or HCP के case के अंदर your packing efficiency remains the same. Difference comes in the body centered. Now tomorrow we are going to discuss the remaining part of this. Meantime, what you have to do, calculate the packing efficiency of the simple cubic closed package structure. Simple cubic closed package structure. Okay. Okay. Your
Okay, ma'am.
homework is calculate packing efficiency of simple cubic, and then with the full calculation you require to calculate for the FCC also again, and then send me up to the evening. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute, do not leave, beta.